Welcome to Million Movies' first video of the 10-video chain for losing belly fat. To make a CCF tea, boil 1½ cups of water. Add 1/2 teaspoon cumin seeds, 1/2 teaspoon coriander seeds, 1/2 teaspoon fennel seeds. You can also add some ginger to this tea. Boil for 5 minutes, cool it to a comfortable drinking temperature. Strain and serve, discarding the spices. This fennel tea with cumin coriander is an ancient recipe and is great for digestion, reducing bloating or gas and fat loss. When it comes to your digestive system, this tea is a game changer. A healthy combination of 3 classic culinary spices: cumin, coriander, and fennel. This tea aids in the absorption of nutrients and stimulates the lymphatic system. Cumin has a long history of use for improved digestion, to help balance blood sugar, and for respiratory issues. It is a source of iron and manganese. Cumin is traditionally known for, including promoting digestion and reducing foodborne infections. Cumin is used for promoting weight loss and improving controlling blood sugar and cholesterol. Coriander is a wonderful source of dietary fiber, manganese, iron and magnesium as well. Coriander lowers bad cholesterol and increases the levels of good cholesterol. Coriander seeds have antioxidant properties and dietary fiber that advance the healthy working of the liver and facilitate bowel movements. Fennel tea may aid healthy digestion, and treat bloating, gas, or cramps, and may also act as a diuretic. Fennel seeds are responsible for kick-starting your metabolism. A healthy metabolism is the key to losing weight in a healthy way. Drinking CCF tea can help remove toxins from the body, which in turn, may contribute to weight loss.